while we are waiting for everybody else to join. So I told you guys that today we will not talk about fractions. Remember?
Yes.
What will we talk about then? Any topic that you have in mind. So Salni keeps asking about perimeter of circle. Yeah? That is one. Sriyanvi also has joined. Hey Sriyanvi. So I will keep that. Okay, what do you want to learn?
We have a new person in our class.
We have many new kids in the class.
Multiplication. Yeah, I'm
So-
not doing.
Okay. Yeah, that is join. Okay? Okay. Only talk about things that is relevant. Okay? Now, I'm not saying multiplication is not relevant, but have you learned everything else that we've done in the class? Sure? No. I'm more sure than you. Okay? We have Akshara also, and then Ishan has joined as well. I think we are good to start. Shalini is also there. Okay, and you move your chair first. This is the reason why I got this table, okay? So that you stop playing with the thing that is not needed. So, okay, so here comes the information, what we are going to do today. So we had learned about the rectangles, triangles and their properties, and we learned about how to find out the area of a rectangle and area of a square, correct? Do you guys remember?
Yes.
That is for you guys. Sit down. Sit down and get started. So you have to move. You have to, seat is only for you, not for your bag. Yeah. Next you can sit down. Yeah? Yeah? This is better? Like looks like a classroom? Yeah. Alright. So we have talked about area of rectangle, area of a square, and we have talked about how to find out area of a right triangle also. Do you guys remember or you forgot completely? Remember? Okay, let me do a quick check. Everybody here, Tasvik? No, you cannot be naughty. Nehit, where is your notebook and pen? Take it out. And everybody will mind his own business. Even if you don't have business, you have to mind your business. Okay? Alright. So, let's do a quick check. What is, first of all, does everybody in the classroom know what do we mean by area and what do we mean by perimeter? Sriyanvi knows. Aditi, yeah, do you remember? Yeah, go ahead.
So perimeter means, for example, if we have a rectangle, the width is 5 and the length is 10. So in an area, you multiply, it's 10 times 10 is 100, 5 times 5 is 25. 100 times 25 equals 25, 100. So we can say it's also like, for example.
No, I'll stop you there, beta. I'll stop you there. You are going way too far. I'm just trying to get a high level concept first. Yeah.
Perimeter is the boundary of the shape.
Yeah. So I just need one liner answer for this one, okay? Rest all you have to leave for your teacher. Oops. This is AI. So perimeter is nothing but the boundary, like what Tasvik said. Salni, is that what your understanding was? Yes?
Area is something inside the
Yes.
shape.
Yes. So that's what I'm saying. Perimeter should talk about any shape. Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary, and area is the total space taken by this thing. Okay? That's a very simple thing. Okay? Yes, Sriyanvi, you're saying something?
So for area, you would say length times width is the easiest thing.
Don't even say that. That could be grossly wrong, because not every area is length times width. Length times width.
It can be width width times length times.
No, Arnav, I'm stopping you guys because I don't want you guys to engage into unproductive discussion right now. I'm first checking, do you understand what do you mean by area? And simple understanding is, area is the total space taken by any shape. This is the area taken by the triangle. This is the area taken by the circle. This is the area taken by the trapezoid. This is the total space that you need for drawing the shape. Okay? And when you talk about perimeter, you're talking about the boundary. So length of the boundary. That's it. No further discussion. Now, and kids, stop playing with emojis. Not good. Emojis will get you all distracted. So, area and perimeter, basic understanding we all have. So, Joanne, is that your understanding as well, or is this something that you were not knowing before?
Yeah, I understand it.
Okay. Now let's look at the shapes one by one, and we'll see what all you guys know. Now this is when you guys can answer, and one person will answer only. Okay, one or two person will answer. Then we'll go to next shape. This is a rectangle. What do we know? Rectangle has this opposite sides same. So if this is length, this is length, this is width, this is width. Who will tell me what is the area of rectangle? Quickly, very quick. Yeah, Aditi, go ahead.
So the area of a rectangle, so you multiply the length and the width.
That's it. That's it. That's the answer.
Length times weight. Weight. What is it?
You wake up, drink some water, and wash your face if you are sleepy. Okay? It's length, and this is length, and this is width. Okay? So length times width is your area of a rectangle. Fine? Now, this is the second shape, which is called square. And this time it will not be Aditi. Okay? What is the property of a square? All the sides are of same length. Meaning if this is length, this is also length, this is also length, this is also length. Okay? If this is 5, this is also 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. So that is the property of a square. All the sides are of same length and every angle is 90 degree. That's how you know that this is a square. Now, what is the area of a square? Okay, I will not let Salni, Nihan, Sami answer this one. I have more interesting question for you guys. Okay, let's see Shriyanvi. Shriyanvi, do you remember area of a square?
So it's length times width, like you'd multiply that.
No, I'm talking about square. There is no width. All the are length.
Oh, square. All the sides are same, so so if you have 7 on one side, you have to do 7 times 7 because all the other sides
So
are
you
same.
see, I said it is length. All are length. So you will say here, like you said, length times width. It is length times length. Okay? Yeah. Now let's go to the next shape, which is nothing but a right angle triangle or a right triangle. What does it mean? This has one angle which is 90 degree. This is called A. This is called, let's say this is called base. This is base,
Height.
and this one I will call as height, and this I will call as hypotenuse or C. For this right angle triangle, what is the area of the right angle triangle? This is a question for Joanne. Let's see if Joanne knows. Give it a try. It's fine. I have not taught you this. If you know it, wonderful. If not, I will teach.
No, I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Let's see who can answer this one. Who has learned this before? Yeah, Akshara, go ahead. I'll come to you, Salini. I have more interesting questions for you.
I don't know, but I'm just telling. I think we have to multiply multiply length.
There is no length. There is no width. I have base and I have height.
I think I did.
Okay. Sammy, you want to tell that?
So, first you will figure out the length, or like you'll figure out the measurements for both of the sides. just like the length.
So I have base, I have height.
Yeah, for base and height, you figure out the measurements.
Okay.
And then
You
make it a rectangle. And then there'll be, and then you add, then you double each number. And then you multiply them and then you divide them.
okay. Let's see what Salmi has to say.
I kind of got a formula for it. 2 times base times height is equal to the area of the rectangle triangle.
That means you guys don't listen to me carefully. Okay, let's see what Sianvi has to say. Yes, Sianvi.
So first you find out the base and high length, like what the number is, and then you break it into 2 parts, and then you figure out the length of one part and then another, and then you add them.
Nope. Okay, let's see who remembers. Nihan, do you remember?
I'm gonna try. So
Yeah.
first, like you're gonna figure out the numbers of base and the W number, and then you're gonna divide it by 2, and then I think you got your answer.
Okay, Tasvik, do you remember? Area of rectangle of right angle? No? You are also doing something else in the class. Don't do that. Nate, do you remember? You guys are so innocent. It's only the teacher who is blabbering for 1 hour doing nothing. Okay, let's look at it. See, what I taught you guys was this. When you look at a right angle triangle, yep, this is your right angle triangle. What will you do? I mean, just for your understanding, you don't have to do this all the time. Draw this line which is parallel to this one, and draw this line which is parallel to this one, and they will meet. So what you see here is this triangle and this triangle that you see are,
That's what I was trying to say.
yeah, the blue triangle and the black triangle that you see here, they are of same size. And now when you look at this whole thing, this is nothing but a rectangle. Yeah? What is the area of a rectangle? This times this, length times width. Here I am calling this base and I am calling this as height. So area of this whole rectangle is base times height. Okay? Now, but by this portion, this my right angle triangle which I am trying to find out the area for, this is nothing but half of the whole rectangle. There is one right angle triangle here, there is one right angle triangle here. Right? This blue one is one right angle triangle, and then this one is another right angle triangle. Let's say the red one. So my area of a right angle triangle is half of the area of this whole rectangle. So that means half of base times height. That will be your area of a right angle triangle. Any right angle triangle. Tasvik, where are you? Pay attention, beta. Okay.
I forgot it was structure.
What is that?
I knew how to do it, but I couldn't explain it.
Yeah, so see that's what. See, that's why I make you guys speak, right? When you speak, when you try explaining to somebody, that is when you realize whether you know it completely or not. If I myself don't understand the concepts, if I try teaching you, I'll be stuck. So that's why it's very important for me to understand it. So I'm just trying to help you understand this. Now one more time. Area of a right angle triangle. Simple thing you will keep in mind is a right angle triangle looks like this. Meaning one of the angle is 90 degrees. That is why it is called right angle triangle. Okay? Right angle. You know, Joan, right? What is a right angle? 90 degrees is called right angle. So a triangle having one angle is 90 degree makes it get called as right angle triangle. And a triangle with a right angle. Yeah? Now, what is the area of this right angle triangle? If this is my base, this is my height, the area of a right angle triangle is half into base into height. Okay? Why? Because you can always visualize that, okay, if I draw this line here and make this like a rectangle, this will be my full rectangle, which will be base or length times width, base times height. So this will be half of this. It's like flipping the paper. If you flip it, that becomes right angle triangle. So area of a right angle triangle will be half of this rectangle, which is length times width. Here my length is called base and this is called height. So this is half into base into height. Yeah? So you have to just visualize this. You have to think about it that way. Nihan, is it making sense? Arnav, are you able to follow me?
Yeah.
Okay. No, don't.
This concept is a little hard, so I'm trying to understand.
One more time. What is a right angle triangle? Do you know what is a right angle triangle?
Right angle's angle is about 90 degrees.
Right angle is 90 degree. When I say what is a right angle triangle, I'm saying there is a triangle which has one angle is 90 degree. Okay?
Okay.
Yep. Gautam and Jay, are you guys able to follow me?
So the,
Yeah, I can
so
follow you.
the,
Okay.
I guess understand.
So-
I understand most of it. I just don't understand the very little part.
Mm-mm.
But now you covered
No.
that.
Okay. So, yeah. Yes.
So so it has to be like the small one because those two parts are the same size.
So, no, I'm just helping you guys remember this for now. Once you guys grow old by 5 more years or 3 more years, when you go to class 7, 8, I will actually help you explain you how this formula is derived in a more mathematical way. I'm not doing it now. If I do it, you will run out of this class right away. Okay?
In 5 more years, I'll be in 9th grade, not 8th.
So maybe 3 years. After 3 years, when you are in 8th grade, I will explain it to you guys. That is when you will learn a concept called congruence.
Actually, after 4 years.
After 4 years. So I'm saying, okay, you guys don't engage into a discussion right now. All friendship is outside the class. Okay? Now, you will learn a concept called congruence. Okay? And that is when I will show you guys how to find out the formula for this one. Right now, I'm just helping you visualize this. That if you are talking about a right angle triangle, always think that this is half of a rectangle. This is half of a rectangle, okay? And that is why half the area of a rectangle. If my rectangle had this as a base or length or this as a height or width, whatever is the area of my rectangle, base times height, it will be half of that. That's why the area of a triangle is half times base times height. Okay? Everybody got it?
Yes.
Gautam?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Now let's play with it a little bit, right? Unless you Tasvik. No, that is not appreciated. Nihat, why don't you keep your notebook on the table? I spent some money buying this table, right? Use that money properly. Yeah? Okay. Now let's Tasvik, no, not good. Now I want you guys to find out the area.
I'm sorry for like leaving by accident because some technical difficulties.
That's okay. And I request you all to not initiate any discussion which has no value for all of us. Okay? Pay attention to what we are doing right now. So this is a right angle triangle, okay? This side is 5 centimeter. This side is 12 centimeter. And this side is 13 centimeter. I want you guys to find out the area and perimeter of this. Area and perimeter of this triangle. This is a right angle triangle. This side is 5 centimeter, this side is 12 centimeter, this side is 13 centimeter. I want you guys to find out the area and perimeter of this triangle. You all know what is perimeter, you all know what is area, and we just saw the formula for area also. I want you to apply that and solve it. Here, Adya.
Wait, can we put it in the chat?
Arnab, I want you to solve this problem, beta, okay? Take a notebook and a pen and try solving it. Once you're done, I will ask you what to answer. Yug,
Oh, whoops.
Arnab, no unnecessary discussions. You try solving this problem first. Tasvik, I would want you to solve this as well. I would not encourage you guys to have any discussion unnecessarily in the class. Nate, are you trying? Or you have come here to the class for sleeping? Try.
Wait, is it area or perimeter?
Both. I want you guys to find out the area between the both. Can you guys stand up? Nate, can you stand up? Stand up. Yeah, sit down. I want to see each one of you what is going on in your mind and on your face. Okay. Is everybody trying? Okay. This is again, I'm repeating the question one more time. This is a right angle triangle. The sides are 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeters. And this is 90 degree. I want you guys to find out the area and I want you guys to find out the perimeter. If anybody doesn't know how to find it out, let me know now. But there is no excuse for not trying. Your smile is not very pleasant if you're not working on it. Do it. Yes, Ranvi.
I kind of don't get it.
Okay.
I tried doing it.
Okay. I will try solving it.
I forgot what the area and perimeter mean.
When did you try remembering it for the first place? You will forget only when you remember. I will say that I forgot what is quantum physics because I never studied quantum physics. Yep, you got it? What is the area?
I got the perimeter. It's 30 centimeters.
How about the area? Solve the complete question, then you come back to me. Yep. Yeah, Joy.
I don't really get the area.
How about the perimeter?
Yeah, I got the perimeter.
How much is that?
30 centimeters.
30? How much you said, Joel?
30.
30, okay, okay.
So
So,
I don't get the area, but I got the perimeter. Yeah, same me too. I got perimeter too, but I got 30 centimeters for the perimeter.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Good. I mean, good that at least perimeter part everybody is getting. That's okay.
It's so easy. I just use it in multiple.
Okay.
Is it 120 centimeters?
No, you don't ask me. You have to tell me. Okay, this is my answer is 120 centimeter, whatever it is.
Yeah, it's 120 centimeters.
120 centimeters. Are you sure?
Why?
120 centimeters. Okay. Let's see what Gautam has to say. Yeah, welcome.
It's actually 120 centimeters square.
120 centimeters square. Yeah.
Can I tell both?
Yeah, please.
Well,
I'll
my
come to you.
perimeter is 30 centimeters, and my area is 156 square centimeters.
So, okay, say it one more time. I could not follow you.
My area is 156 square centimeters.
Okay. Area is 156 square centimeters. Okay. What about perimeter?
30 centimeters.
Okay. How about you, Jay?
I got the perimeter, but I didn't get the area. I don't know.
Okay. How about you, Nihan? How much is perimeter for you, Jay?
30 centimeters.
Okay. Okay. Good. How about you, Nihan?
I got both. I got area 30 centimeters. I mean, perimeter 30 centimeters, and I got the area 390 centimeters.
How much?
I got the perimeter 30 centimeters, and I got the area to 150 centimeters.
150 centimeters. Okay. How about you, Shanvi? Shanvi, you said that you did not get the area, so you can.
I got the perimeter, but
Yeah,
not
area
the
part. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you had your. Okay, yeah, what is?
For the area, it's 30 centimeters. I forgot actually the perimeter.
Is it area or is it the perimeter?
Area 30.
No. Perimeter is something that is the boundary. What you have done is you have added the 3 sides to get 30, right? So boundary is this by adding them. That is perimeter. So what you have got is perimeter. Area is what you have not solved yet.
I got the perimeter.
How much is that?
30.
And how? You added them all?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Alne.
I don't know that's the answer. But I got the area and the perimeter.
Uh-huh.
The area is 150 centimeters square,
Uh-huh.
and the perimeter is 30 centimeters square.
Perimeter 30 centimeters square. Sure. Okay, let me give you guys one bad example. If I have 2 bananas,
You see, I said 30, not 13.
I heard 30, but you said 30 centimeters square. That's what I'm asking. Is it 30 centimeters squares or is it 30 centimeters?
Squares.
I'm talking about perimeter.
Just
Oh, yes.
Perimeter has to be centimeters because you're talking about length. You're saying 5 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. 5 banana plus 12 banana will be 17 bananas, so 17 centimeter. Then plus 13 centimeter or 13 more bananas. So 17 bananas plus 13 bananas will make it 17 plus 13, 30 bananas, not 13 bananas square. Yep.
Who need the 1 bananas?
I'm just helping you guys understand because you guys behave like monkeys at times. So that's why I'm giving you banana as an example.
Yeah.
Okay?
So
So-
bananas
But,
because they're tasty.
Okay,
They
okay.
eat those.
That discussion is not very important. Coming back to this point, I'm saying 5 centimeters, let's say centimeter instead of centimeter, I say apples. 5 apples plus 12 apples, 17 apples, plus 13 apples, 30 apples. So 30 apples, not 30 apples square. Yeah? When I say, what is square? When I say 2 into 2, that becomes 2 square. 5 into 5 becomes 5 square. Centimeter into centimeter becomes centimeter square.
4 centimeters.
Yeah? Yeah? So, one good thing that I observed with everybody here, when you guys said that whoever solved for area, they did not say 120 centimeter. They said 1 centimeter, 120 centimeter square or 196 centimeter square. So that way at least I am confident that you guys are calculating in the right way. Now, the answers were different. So now it is for all the kids. So Joanne, you also know how to find out the perimeter, but area is what you are struggling with. And so is the case with Shreyanvi and Nihit also, correct? And Akshara, yeah?
And then.
And he struggles with everything. He struggles with me. Because he doesn't pay attention in the class. See, you all will like me or any teacher for that matter if you pay attention in the class. If you don't pay attention in the class, you will not like the teacher will not find you interesting either. Yeah? So,
What
you
about me?
you do good job. I like each one of you. There is no question of me not liking you. But are we doing the right thing for which we are here? If you come to the class, take a nap, start snoring, start fighting with each other, obviously I will not find a reason to be happy about it, right? So now pay attention. Now everybody here, just 5 minutes before I gave you guys this question, what did I tell? That if I have a right angle triangle, your teacher is in the classroom, not on the road. Pay attention here. Just now I said, if I have a right angle triangle, area of a right angle triangle is half times base times height. What I mean by that is, this is my base and this is my height. This is a formula we learned. Yeah? Half times base times height. Yeah? Jaganya, you did not tell the answer. Did you get that or you were also trying to find it out? Where did Jaganya go? Okay, she got dropped off.
What about the number 13? What do we do with that number?
I have not done anything with anything so far. I am just helping you guys recall. See, this is not a debate. This is a math class. Okay. So learn the math, the concepts first. Okay. Then we'll talk about who is the next president, whether he'll be a good president or not. We'll talk about all that. Okay. But now let's focus on maths. Okay. Here so Shranvi, Join, Yug, Nihit, everybody here. Okay, Akshara. We just learned that if I have a right angle triangle and this is my base and this is my height, the area of a right angle triangle is half times base times height. Half times base times height. This is what we saw. Yep. Yeah, Join.
What do you mean by half? Like half of what?
Half of base times height. This is my base and this is my height.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So here I gave you everything ready made. You just have to do the mathematical part of it. I said find out the area when I have this side as 12, this side as 5, this side as 13. Now from this right angle triangle what we know? This is my base and this is my height and this is hypotenuse. I don't have to worry about it. To your point, I don't have to worry about it because that's not part of my formula. My formula says that as long as I know the base and height, that is more than enough for me to calculate the area. So I will not worry about things on the road because teacher is teaching in the class. So this is something on the road, not needed right now. Okay? So half into base. What is my base? 12 centimeter. I will write 12 centimeter. Or I will write 12 into centimeter if you want to. Okay? Now, what is my height? Height is 5 centimeter. I will write 5 centimeters. I can write 5 into centimeter. Now you guys can do tic-tac-toe also if you want to. And you need to basically. 1 into 12 into centimeter into 5 into centimeter, let's say. Divided by 2. Here, centimeter and centimeter is from one family, right? So we'll multiply centimeter with centimeter. And we'll deal with the numbers separately. So 1, now 12 I can write as 6 into 2. And 5 I can write as 5. And then centimeter and centimeter together. Centimeter into centimeter. Remember I said 2 into 2 makes it 2 square. 5 into 5 makes it 5 square. Centimeter into centimeter makes centimeter square. That is why some of you said the area is this much centimeter square. So this centimeter I'm multiplying and making it centimeter square. And then I'm putting this 2 here. Now I can do tic-tac-toe. This 2 and this 2 gone. What am I left with? I'm left with 6 into 5 centimeter square. 6 into 5 is 30 centimeter square. Done deal. Who got 120? Because you instead of dividing by 2, you multiply by 2. Yep.
No, I did.
Who got 196? Now you probably would know where you went wrong. It's a very straightforward way to calculate. Yeah.
I actually got 30 centimeters square.
Yeah. So here, always look at this. When you have a right angle triangle to deal with, see this right angle triangle has this angle 90 degree. And there are two sides which is making this angle, right? One is called height, one is called base. And the third side is this one, which is hypotenuse. You don't have to worry about this one. As long as you know that these two sides which is making the 90 degree. See here, this and this side are making 90 degree. You just multiply these two sides. This is your base and this is your height. Multiply these two, divide that by 2. That is enough. Akshara, Shranvi, Join, did you guys get it? Salini, do you know where did you go wrong?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So each one of you, everybody solved this problem, but some of you actually missed it. Arnav, are you able to follow it now?
Yeah.
See, there was nothing difficult about it. It was a very straightforward problem, okay? But just by paying a little bit more attention, you would have been able to solve it. And whatever you guys are trying to do this
He's
task week,
tapping me on my leg. Me
Not-
too.
you guys are so innocent. So, anyways, okay, all the innocence is outside the class. Let's solve 2 more problems and then we'll see who knows, who remembers, and who is actually just having fun. This time did you get it?
Yeah.
Sure?
What's
Okay.
the answer paper? I
No,
mean,
no. Now let's do it. I'll give you guys 2 more problems, okay?
Sir,
Yep.
I still didn't get it.
You did not get it?
He's not tapping you.
Okay, guys, can you keep quiet? I don't want to hear any sound. So, this is my right angle triangle. Okay? Everybody, this is your last chance to understand this, okay? Before I move on. This is a right angle triangle. We just learned the area of a right angle triangle is half into base into height. What is base? This one base. This is the base where this is holding or standing on. What is height? This is the height, as you can see. How tall is this one? This is height. Yeah? So, I said this is 12 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. So, you know the base and height. I said this is also 13 centimeter, but I don't really need to worry about it because I can find out the area of a right angle triangle as long as I know the base and height. Meaning the sides which is making the 90-degree angle. Okay? Sammy? So, here, what is my base? My base is 12 centimeter. And what is my height? 5 centimeter. That's it. I have to just deal with this now. I will multiply centimeter and centimeter together and I will take care of the numbers separately. So it becomes 1 into 12 into 5 divided by 2 and then centimeter into centimeter becomes centimeter square. Yep.
How many more minutes?
Don't know. Once the kids from the next class join, then only I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys go. Alright, but anyways, here we have enough time. We probably have 20 more minutes. Long time.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
you're not letting me get any time to note it down.
You
You anyways,
watch the video.
you anyways have the video for you, beta. Okay. So that's what I prescribe. I suggest you guys not to be busy taking notes, because if you are busy taking notes, you will not pay attention to understand the concepts. Okay. And you have the video anyways, which you can watch as many times you want, or as many times you can afford. I mean, it doesn't take money. It's just a matter of how much time you can spend watching it. Yeah. All right. So half into base times height. Now this becomes all the numbers one side and centimeters I'm dealing with separately. So centimeter into centimeter becomes centimeter squared, and these are the numbers. Now we know how to do tic-tac-toe with this. 12 I can write as 6 into 2. Now I have 1 into 6 into 2 into 5, and here I have 2. So this 2 and this 2 I can do tic-tac-toe. What I'm left with? 1 into 6 into 5. 1 into 6 into 5 is 30. Very nice. Very nice. I have to just appreciate you guys for being mischievous. Yeah? And interestingly, everything is recorded on the video, which your parents also might see sometimes.
My parents do not see the video.
I'll request them to. Okay, so this is how you get the area. Yeah? Everybody is clear?
Yes.
Now let's solve 2 more problems quickly, okay? One with area and perimeter for a rectangle, one with the area and perimeter for a square, and I said 2, but I'm actually giving you guys 3 questions, and you have only 15 minutes to solve them all.
Yes.
If you do it honestly, you can solve it in 10 minutes. If you do it mischievously, you'll never be able to solve it. So this is a rectangle, this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. Okay? Find out the area and perimeter. This is a square. This side is 8 centimeter. Find out the area and perimeter. This is square, okay? This is rectangle. And then you have a right angle triangle. 3, 4 and 5 centimeters. This time it is inches. No extra brownie points for the drama that you are doing, Yug. Solve this problem. Okay? This is a rectangle. This side is 5 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Find out the area and perimeter. This is a square. This side is 8 centimeter. Find out the area and perimeter. This is a triangle, right angle triangle. This is 3 inches. This is 4 inches. This is 5 inches. Find out the area and perimeter.
You have for 9 or 4 for the rectangle.
4. And you guys have only 10 minutes, because if somebody is not able to solve it, that is the time I will need for explaining it. I have taken bath today. I look very good, but you don't have to keep staring me. Solve the problem. Yep. Yes, Alni. And once you finish all the 3 problems, then only you have to raise a hand. Okay?
Did all of them.
You did all of them.
Reading all of the questions, I kind of did 1 and 2.
Solve all 3. Then only you raise a hand.
Yeah, I did all of them.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Gautam did all of them.
I have a question.
Okay.
For the 3 problems, does it say inches or centimeters?
I said inches.
Okay.
So, see, again, a word of caution here. I purposefully put inches because what happens is we assume or we ignore the unit. I want you guys to be careful with that. That's why I said inches. Okay?
For the first one, I got 20 centimeters square.
20 centimeter square is what? Area or perimeter?
Area.
Okay. Be quick, be quick, be quick. What do you
Okay.
think? What do you
And
think?
for the square area, actually.
What is the perimeter for this guy?
Area, I did the square. I
Huh?
did the areas only.
Okay. So what is the area here?
It's 64 centimeters square.
Okay. How about this guy?
6 inches square.
Okay, I love that. Good job. Tell me the perimeter. Find out the perimeter for the 3. Yeah.
For the area, I got 20 centimeters square, and for the perimeter, I got 18 centimeters.
Okay. How about this guy? Solve all before you raise your hand. Where are you, sir? Nate, how about you?
He's daydreaming about Roblox. What?
No, you first. Don't bother about others. Do your business. Become a business tycoon. Do your own business.
Tycoon.
Yeah. Yeah, join.
I finished.
Oh,
So,
what wonderful. Tell me. First one.
For the rectangle, for area, I got 20 centimeters square.
Very nice.
For perimeter, I got 18 centimeters.
How? There's no ink in that.
Oh, I mean 8 centimeters, sorry.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, 18.
18 what? Centimeters?
Yeah.
Okay. How about the square?
For square area, I got 64 centimeters square.
Uh-huh.
And perimeter, I got 32 centimeters.
Very nice. How about this guy?
For the triangle, for perimeter, I got 12 inches. And area, I got 6 inches square.
Very nice. Very nice. Let's see who all got different answers. Yeah, go to Sami. I'll come to you, Aditi. Yeah.
Okay, so for the first one, I got the perimeter. For the rectangle, I got a perimeter of 14 centimeters.
Okay, so sorry for cutting you in between. So for everybody now, I don't want you. So here I've got area is 20 centimeters square, perimeter 18. Here got 64, 32. Here I got 6 and 12. You just tell me which one is different for you.
Oh.
20, 18, 64, 32, 6, 12.
6 and 12 is different for me.
Okay.
I got 14 inches and 6 inches square.
Okay, so this one is fine for you. Here you got 14 inches.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, Aditi. Tell me which one is different for you. You don't have to say all the numbers one by one. Just tell me 20, 18, 64, 32, 6, 12. Which one is different for you?
29 for first.
20 and 9. Okay, 20 is fine. 9. You got 9 what centimeters? What is the perimeter for the rectangle, beta?
9.
9 centimeters.
Yes.
Okay.
And for second, 64, 16.
16. Okay. Okay. And the third one?
60 and 12.
60. Did you say 60? Aditi?
It's 60. For area, it's 60. For perimeter, it's 12.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let's go to Akshara.
For the first one, I got 20 area. Wait. Area, wait. Perimeter, I got 18, and the area, I got 20.
Okay. 64, 32. Next one.
Yes, same.
Okay. Here, third one.
Same.
Same. 6 and 12.
Yeah.
Okay. How about you, Gautam?
So my first answer for the first problem, the area is 20 square centimeters.
Let me make it quick for you. 20, 18, 64, 32, 6, 12. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Here you got centimeter square. Every area you got a centimeter square except for the triangle which is in inches square.
Yeah.
And every perimeter you got as centimeters and here you got as inches. Yep? Same for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see Jay.
I couldn't do the last problem for the area.
Okay. Everything else here it was 20, 18.
Yeah.
So 20 centimeter square, 18 centimeter. Here it was 64, 32.
Yeah.
This one you found the perimeter is 12 inches.
Yeah.
Okay. Area you could not do?
Yeah. And
Okay.
Can I go to the bathroom?
I'm sorry?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, sure. Jihan, did you get the same answer or different one?
I got all of them same.
All the same. Okay, wonderful. Shianvi,
Same. I got all the same.
wonderful. Okay.
For the rectangle, I think I got different because not for the perimeter. Wait, no. For the last one, I got a little for the perimeter, I got 12.
Perimeter you got 12. How about the area?
Area is 10.
Area is 10. Okay, we'll come to that. What about you? You will never be done if you don't pay attention. But I'm not liking it. Tell me what have we done in last 50 minutes?
Area and perimeter.
No, I'm asking him. It's a
We learned
point
about-
blank question for you.
We learned about area and
No, we learned about area and perimeter that the video will also say. Now I'm asking you, what did you do in last 50 minutes? Apart from just going here and there. You have to start asking this question to yourself. I'm teaching everybody, okay? I have no bias for anybody in particular, okay? I want each one of you to become equally good with what I'm teaching. Yep.
I have a question on the square one.
Okay, I'll come to that. But a request to each one of you, you start asking this question to yourself. Are you spending this time in the right way? Or you are wasting your time, your parents' money and your teacher's time?
Teacher's time.
All the three. You are wasting all the three. You are wasting your time. Your time is also important. You could have used that time for watching videos or for seeing cartoons on the TV. But you are coming here all the way here. Your parents are putting so much effort. You are spending money, and what you are learning? Nothing. If you continue doing that, it's for everybody. Okay. If you are coming to the class, make use of the class. Yaditi.
My mom was laughing about it because it's funny to her.
That's okay. That's okay. See, that's fine. So I'm like a father or an uncle for you all, right? So I'm just telling you guys to be real serious about the way you spend your time, because if you don't use the time judiciously, it is not good. Okay. Now everybody who has got question or who are not able to solve it, let me solve it quickly. Okay. I have 7 minutes to solve these 3 questions, and I can do that well ahead of time if you guys don't disturb me. Area of a rectangle. Whole world, including all of us, knows the area of a rectangle is length times width. What is the length here? 5. What is the width here? 4 centimeters. Area will be length times width. 5 centimeters into 4 centimeters. Stop making that noise, Yug. Put your feet down. This becomes 5 times 4, 20. And centimeter into centimeter becomes centimeter square. Done. It was a 30-second job. Now, perimeter. Now, here look at this rectangle. What happens in case of a rectangle? Opposite sides are of same length. So, this is 5, this is also 5. This is 4, this is also 4. Now, what is the perimeter? The length of the boundary. So, 5 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 4, 18. 18 centimeters. Done. Another 30 seconds. This problem also done. Whoever has taken more time, that means you were not using your time effectively. And that is what we all need to learn if you want to do good in exams. Look at the square. When I say square, what do we know? Area of a square is length times width or length times length. So 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. 8 into 8 is 64 centimeter into centimeter square. How I was able to do it quickly? 8 times 8, 64, because I have learned tables, and that's what I keep asking you guys also, right? If you know the table, you can do it real quick. 30 seconds. 64 centimeters square. That's the area of a square. Now, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary. In case of a square, we know all the sides are of same length. So this is 8 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. This is also 8 centimeter. This is also 8 centimeter. It's a kid's play. A first grader or second grader can do it. 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 8, 32. 32 centimeters. Area and perimeter of rectangle and square done. Now I'll go to triangle. So whoever was struggling with the area and perimeter of a right angle triangle, I have given, this is 3 inches, this is 4 inches, this is 5 inches. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary. So 4 inches plus 5 inches, 9 inches plus 3 inches, 12 inches. This is the only answer possible. Okay, you have to just add them together. That's a perimeter. Now when you're talking about area, area of a right angle is half into base into height. What is the base? 4 inches. Half into base is 4 inches. 4 inches. And then height is 3 inches. So it becomes half into 4 into 3. So let's deal with the numbers separately and with the inches separately. Inches into inches becomes inches square. So I'll write this as inches square. And half 1 into 4 into 3 divided by 2. Now this 4 I can write as 2 into 2. So I can do tic-tac-toe. This 2 and this 2 gone. What I'm left with? 1 into 2 into 3. So 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 inches square. No big deal. Simple application of formula. Nodding the head 100 times will not help. You have to solve it. And I have not explained anything difficult, okay? Yaditi.
Can you tell again the perimeter thingy?
What is that?
Can you tell again that thingy?
The perimeter, see, perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary, okay? So here I said this is 4 inches, this is 5 inches, and this is 3 inches. So you have to basically add them all. 4 inches plus 5 inches, 9 inches plus 3 inches, 12 inches. Done. Yep?
That is math that a kindergartner or even a second grader.
Kindergartner, nursery, anybody can do, but yeah, I mean, they also need to be serious.
Who?
Yaditi.
Can you tell the area?
What is that?
Can you tell the area one?
The area of a right angle triangle is what? Half times base times height. This is my base and this is my height. So half into base into height. What is my base? 4 inches. What is my height? 3 inches. Half into 4 inches into 3 inches. I will deal with inches together. So inches into inches becomes inches square. And half into 4 into 3. Half into, it's like this. So it is it is half into 4 into 3 inches square. Now this one will be 1 into 4 into 3 divided by 2 inches square. Or I can break it down. I can write 4 as 2 into 2 because I love tic-tac-toe. Right? So here now I have a 2, this 2 and this 2 I can do tic-tac-toe. What I am left with? 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6. 6 inches square. Yep. Is that clear? Yaditi.
Thank you for those steps, sir.
No worries, beta. Alright. So everybody understood?
Yes. Yes.
All that confidence I'm hearing in the voice, that should reflect in the notebook also when you're solving it, okay? When I will give you guys assignments, I would want to see that reflecting in the way you solve it. And trust me, nothing is difficult as long as you pay attention. If you pay attention, you will have less tension. If you don't pay attention, you'll only have tension when you get that question in the examination hall. Okay? Alright? Everybody with me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Did we learn something?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm hearing a lot of yes. I will see what happens when I give you guys the assignment. Okay?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow or day after maybe. Yeah? Alright. Arnav, are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see some shaking voice.